In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add Google Maps in WordPress. Adding Google Maps to your website can make it easier for your visitors to navigate to your location. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add your location, or if you already have your location on Google Maps, how you can embed it to your website. To add your location on Google Maps, open a new tab, and in the search bar, type maps.google.com and press enter. Find your exact location on the map. Move your cursor on your location and click there. And then you will get this pop-up. Click on this number. And then you will get some options on the left side of your screen. Now to add this location, click on Add a Missing Place. And now you have to fill up some details about this place. If you want to add more information, you can click here and add them as well. Then click on Send. Now we have successfully submitted the location. It will take a few hours for Google to verify your location. You will be notified in your email when it is approved. Once your location is approved, open Google Maps again, and this time click here on the menu. And then click on Your Contribution. Then click on Edits, and you will see your location here. Click on your location, then click on Share, and select Embed a Map. This is what the map will look like on your website. Copy the HTML code, and let's add this to a new page. So back in your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, and click on Add New. I will just add the title as Find Us. And then click here to add a block. Search for Custom HTML and click on it. Add the HTML code here. You can preview what it would look like by clicking here. Then click on Publish. You can preview the page by clicking on Preview, and then selecting Preview in a new tab. And this is what it would look like on your website. This is how you can add Google Maps in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.